What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some extensions. Okay, so I bought this hair from the hair shop. This was going to be used for, I was going to get it sewn in when for my vacation in Hawaii in June. That never happened because of COVID. Thanks a lot, COVID. Okay, so yeah, I was going to get these sewn in, and I've had them in my closet ever since. So I'm thinking that I'm going to add some clips to it, and I just bought them. I just want to get them, but I'm going to use this Bellamy hair that I already had. It already has clips and everything. So I'm going to use this as a guide as to like to measure my hair and how to cut it. So I'm also going to dye it red, of course. And for that, I have the Lime Crime Unicorn hair in the color Valentine. So it should match my hair. And of course I bought the clips, and I found these little clips at a beauty supply store near me, and it's really cool because I thought I was gonna have to sew them in, which I have before on another set of hair, but these have like a little hook that you just put onto the hair, so it should be really easy. I thought it was gonna take me longer to make my extensions, but it looks like it's not gonna be super time consuming. So here I have 4 pieces. I have the two long pieces, and then I have 2 side pieces. I'm not talking about men either. I'm talking about hair. So I have the 2 side pieces, and I'm gonna use this as a guide. So I'm gonna show you when I dye my hair, when I dye the hair, the extensions, and you'll see everything. And then I'll show you the final look. I want to look like the Little Mermaid. So yeah, that's the project for today. And if you want to see the results, how everything turns out, then keep on watching.
few moments later.
Okay, so the hair is dry for the most part. Look at how good it looks. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the clips, the little clips. That little part, you're gonna get it through. Okay, see? That's so easy. This is incredible. I'm loving it. This quality is definitely better than the BaeBeyys hair. It feels a lot softer and it feels just really soft. There you go, see? Oh my god. Do the next piece, same way.
She cute or whatever.